So we have been provided with 4 boxes, each containing 3 red and 2 blue balls. And 2 blue balls. So all these 20 balls are distinct. We have to choose 10 balls such that from each box at least 1 red ball and 1 blue ball chosen. So we'll take first case. 4 balls are selected from one of these and 2 each from the remaining 3. So for that we'll have 4 ways of choosing one of these boxes. From the remaining 3 we'll choose 3C1 into 2C1, so 1 red and 1 blue ball. And from the box which we chose we have to choose 4 balls. So that is 5C4. Because it won't matter how we choose, we'll always end up with 1 red and 1 blue ball from this. So this is case 1, when we have chosen 4 balls from one box and 2 balls from the remaining 3. Then case 2 is we take 3 balls each from 2 boxes and 2 balls each from the remaining 2. So we have 4C2, say we chose these 2 boxes, into 3C1 times 2C1 squared. So from these 2 we chose 1 red and 1 blue ball each, and then from this we have to choose 3 balls such that we have at least 1 red and 1 blue ball. So I take 5C3, choosing 3 balls, minus 1, the case when all the 3 red balls are chosen. This and this is squared because I am choosing from this as well as this box. So this must be the answer. So case 1 is 4 into 36 into 5, 216 into 5, and this is 6 into 36 into 5C3 is 10 minus 9, 81. So this becomes 216 into 20 plus 81. 216 into 101, 21816, which is A. So the answer is A.